How to set an automatic reply in WhatsApp Business. To get started, first of all, you need to download and open the WhatsApp Business application on your phone. You will then be taken to this page where you can view your chat list. Then, tap on the settings icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap on the option Business Tools from the menu. Now, go to the option Away Message. Now, enable the Send Away Message option. Then schedule it to Always and Send. You can select the recipients to everyone. You can customize the message according to your preference. This one is a default message from WhatsApp. So now, even if you're away from the chat, an automated message will be sent to your clients to keep them engaged, and you can take over the conversation as soon as you're active on your WhatsApp Business application. So, by following these steps, you can set an automatic reply in WhatsApp Business.